Ngisho kuhlasele ubhubhane iCovid-19, umphakathi omncane wamaKhoisan uyakhula emagcekeni ezindlu zombuso. Lokhu kuyingxenye yombhikisho wokulwela amalungelo amaKhoisan eNingizimu Afrika.
Ngisho nobhubhane lwe-coronavirus yeke luyivimbi ngonyama yamaKhoisan ulilwela amalungelo abantu besizwe sayo. Le ngonyama yafika ezindlini zombuso ngo-2018. Ihleli ngaphansi kwechusa samadiba kusukela ngaleso sikhathi. Kwezinye izinto ezifunayo ukuthi ulimi lamaKhoisan libhalwe njengolunye lwezilimi ezisemthethweni ezweni.
Well, the only time that we had was a few days back when the police officers came just before the lockdown and told us that if we are aware that we must move to a shelter. I then told them that this was not informed to me, but as we stand, we are going to stay at the Union Building until the 21-day lockdown is finished.
Now behlele endaweni yomphakathi njengoba kuvala ukusebenza kwezinto ezweni ingonyama yamaKhoisan ithi baphila ngokuhlanzeka futhi baphephile.
There's still a lot of people that do not take this serious. They are still roaming around in the street. They are playing in their areas and thinking that this is a joke. Well, the reality is we've seen other countries, Italy, Spain, and other countries that have got this pandemic, and they are adhering to that and have lost lots of people.
Umkhankaso waqala ngabantu abathathu usukhulile wafinyelela kwabayisikhombisa abahlala emagcikeni ezindlu zombuso. Umnyango wezenhlalakahle uthi kunezindawo lapha abantu abangena emakhaya abafihla khona ikhanda, kodwa uthi ngeke uphoqe umuntu ukuthi aye khona.